In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Apple Notes link. First, let's open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can easily find the app on your home screen. It has a yellow notepad icon. This is the central hub for all your notes. Once you tap on the icon, you will see a list of your existing notes. This is a simple yet effective tool for jotting down thoughts, reminders, or anything else important. Opening the app sets the stage for the next steps, so make sure you are ready to go. Now navigate to the specific note you want to share. You will see various notes displayed in a list format. Just tap on the note you intend to share. This action is crucial as it ensures that you are sharing the correct content. Remember, the note must contain the information you want others to see or collaborate on. Once you have the right note open, you are one step closer to sharing it. Next, tap the Share button, which looks like a square with an upward arrow. This button is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap it, a menu will appear with various options for sharing. This step is vital because it opens up the sharing features that allow you to send your note to others. By tapping the Share button, you are initiating the process to collaborate, making your note accessible to others. From there, select the Collaborate option from the sharing menu. This choice allows others to view and edit the note, which is perfect for teamwork or shared projects. It's important to choose this option if you want the recipients to have more than just view-only access. You'll see a new screen pop up, indicating that you are ready to set the collaboration settings. This step is significant because it defines how others will interact with your note. At this point, tap Share Options if you want to change who can access the note. This is where you can customize the permissions for collaboration. You can choose to allow anyone with the link to view or edit the note or limit access to specific people. This flexibility is essential for maintaining control over your information. Adjusting these settings ensures that your note is shared exactly how you want it. Now choose an app such as Messages or Mail to send the invitation link. You will see a list of apps that can send the link. Tapping on one of these options will allow you to send the invitation directly through that application. This is a straightforward step, but it's key to making sure your recipients receive the link without any hassle. By selecting the appropriate app, you're streamlining the sharing process. It's important to note that Apple Notes does not provide a standalone public URL. The link is created when you share the note for collaboration. Recipients generally need an Apple account to access it. This is something to keep in mind as it can affect who you share your notes with. Also, remember that you cannot share a locked note. By following these steps, you can easily share your Apple Notes with others. You'll find that collaboration becomes a lot easier with these simple actions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in effectively sharing your notes.